Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to group tabs in Firefox so you can organize your browsing efficiently and keep related websites together. Step 1. Open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Make sure multiple tabs are open that you want to organize. Step 2. Right-click on a tab you want to group. This opens the tab context menu with various options. Step 3. Select Add Tab to New Group or Move to New Group. This creates a tab group or container for related tabs. Step 4. Give your tab group a name and a color. This helps you visually identify groups quickly. Step 5. Drag other related tabs into the same group. All tabs in the group will now stay together for easy navigation. Step 6. Switch between tab groups using the group icons or sidebar. You can collapse or expand groups to manage your workspace efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.